Today's topic is encapsulation. What is meant by encapsulation? Encapsulation is a wrapping of data in single unit. To use that encapsulation. Use of encapsulation to achieve the data in a data binding in a single unit. To use that encapsulation. In encapsulation are present in a variables and public methods in present in class. Encapsulation is a private variable and methods are public are present in a class. To using that setter and getter to access that variables and method to use that encapsulation. The real example is encapsulation is a capsule, bags. First one is a capsule. The capsule contents of does not to the show that the person to in present in a capsule. Only show that the outer side to show that the cover that the capsule. This is the encapsulation. Means that only show that outer side data and no not show that the inside the data. To use that the encapsulation. More secure data in essential data to use that encapsulation. This means that banking sector data or private sector essential data to use that encapsulations. To use that the rules of encapsulation. Encapsulation means that data hiding to use that encapsulation. To use that setter and getter method. Setter method means that set to the values to the private variables or private data to use that set values, and getter method to use that to get to the returns to value to use that getter method. And another rules is in present is the all data is private and method will be public. There are two methods in encapsulation. First one is a setter method and another is a getter method. First method is present in a setter method is a set the value of a method and data to another method is a getter method to the return of the method to use that getter method. More advantage of encapsulation is data will be accessed at that obtaining to the other data. Update data to anytime to encapsulation concept. Use that to updating data and does not to the obtaining to the others to data. The main example of encapsulation is a banking sector. Is a more secure or more essential data to hiding to use that encapsulation. Thank you.